National highway between Imphal and Dimapur was totally disconnected due to heavy landslides at Khongnam between Senapati and Maram, triggered by heavy incessant rainfall. Around 140 feet stretch of road collapsed to almost 500 feet deep. Around 25 families have been affected so far. BIPL and relevant authorities are on site taking stock of the situation. More than 400 trucks are stranded along the highway and more vehicles continue to be piled up along the highway. As per information received, temporary passage might be ready only after 10 days' time. With incessant rainfall hitting the state in the last few days, water levels of all major rivers flowing through Manipur Valley have been rising at an alarming rate. As such, the Relief and Disaster Management Department has alerted all deputy commissioners. According to Information Water Resources Department, Imphal River has been flowing above warning level at 787.750 meters. Water levels of Airil River, Nambul River and Thobal River have all passed their danger levels. Places like Kangpokpi, Saikul, Litan, Lamphel, Jeribam have all received excess rainfall in the last few days. The headmen of Maule Ba Maunar in West Khasi Hills led villagers and NGOs as they took to the streets to protest against the brutal killing of one Maurice Marngar, who was buried alive by his kin at Nongdisong village for allegedly practicing witchcraft. The incident took place a few days back. At one end, while the protest raged in the streets of Maule Ba Maunar, the police, on the other hand, arrested another 2 persons who were suspected to be the prime instigators in the case. As the protest rally marched ahead, villagers were seen displaying placards and black flags, demanding on the authority not to grant bail to the culprits. The rally was organized by Dorbar Shnong Maule Ba Maunar that culminated at Marngar's residence. Naga People's Front has expressed shock and hit out at the PDA government for its decision to celebrate the annual Hornbill Festival 2020 by describing it as a suicidal mission, especially during COVID-19 pandemic. Press Bureau of NPF said while COVID-19 was on the rise on a daily basis and the state reeling under the COVID-19 pandemic, it expressed surprise with the heartless attitude of the PDA government to persist with conducting the annual festival. NPF chided the PDA government that it was not a time to merry-making and momentary pleasure, but to ensure the safety of its people and change its decision for the safety of its people. NPF maintained that though the government planned to hold the festival in virtual form, there was no need to hold such a celebration without public participation. The party demanded from the government on whether it could assure the Naga public on the safety of the participants from the virus. Though construction works were far from complete, official sources exuded confidence that admissions of the first batch to Nagaland's first medical college at Prebagi in Kohima is expected to commence by July 2022. Highlighting the roadmap of the medical college, sources from the Directorate of Health and Family Welfare informed that an application to Medical Council of India (MCI) for first-year requirements as per the MCI is expected to be given in June 2021. Sources said that after fulfilling the required infrastructure in the first year, as per requirement of MCI, for the first 3 years, Naga Hospital Authority with 300 bedded located within 10 kilometers radius will be used for secondary care. Then after the completion of the 400 bedded hospital at Prebagi, it will be used for tertiary care. The foundation loan was laid on March 3, 2014 by Chief Minister Neiphiu Rio after the medical college was sanctioned by Government of India. Meghalaya's BJP legislator Sanbor Shulai wrote to Union Home Minister Amit Shah seeking the central government intervention in resolving the vexed interstate boundary dispute between Assam and Meghalaya. In his letter, the former Deputy Speaker reminded the Union Home Minister of the decision taken by the centre to resolve the pending border disputes among the northeastern states by 2021. This act by the government will help boost the morale of the party workers all across the region and will help us strengthen our party and future consolidate our presence, he informed the Home Minister. Such a move will go down in the history of the region besides giving confidence to the people of the region in our party and governance, the BJP legislator asserted. According to Indian Meteorological Department, depression over the Bay of Bengal will bring heavy rains to the northeastern states of Tripura, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Assam, and Meghalaya. The IMD said the depression is very likely to cross West Bengal and adjoining Bangladesh coasts between Sagar Islands and Khepupara over the Sundarbans. Due to this, light to moderate rainfall at most places with heavy to very heavy rainfall are likely at few places, and extremely heavy rainfall at isolated places are very likely over Tripura. Heavy to very heavy rainfall at few places in Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, South Assam, and Meghalaya are likely, the Indian Meteorological Department said. With positive cases rising all across the nation, the COVID-19 status of northeastern states are: like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for news that matters and stories that inspire.